plus sin a minus b into this become log of or ln of modulus of sin t plus c. Understood? Now replace the t value. What is t value? X plus b. So x plus b into cos a minus b plus sin a minus b into log of modulus of sin x plus b plus c. This is the answer. So see, this question similar to already previous question we have done, like sin x upon sin x plus a, in the same way. Now let us see some more questions here. Integration of tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. Right. Here this function contains tan cube and secant. So what I am going to do is, if I have here secant square x, directly tan x as t we can take, secant square x dx is equal to dt, but only one secant function is given. So what I am going to do is tan square 2x I am writing, and one term I am joining to this, tan 2x into secant 2x dx. Now see, tan x into sec x or sec x into tan x, this is the derivative of secant function. So I am going to take secant 2x is equal to t. So secant 2x into tan 2x dx is equal to dt. Here what I will get, into 2 dt dx is equal to dt, because here function is in terms of 2x. So secant 2x into tan 2x into dx is equal to dt upon 2. Now my integration becomes, I am roughing this. See, now my integration become tan square. So I need to convert into secant x. So tan square formula is secant square x minus 1, that is t square minus 1. Tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 into this entire function become dt upon 2. Now see, 1 upon 2 take outside, t cube upon 3 minus 1 integration is t plus c. So 1 by 2 into, what is t value? Secant 2x. So secant cube 2x upon 3 minus secant 2x plus c. So this is the integration of tan cube 2x into secant cube 2x. So let us see some more questions. Integration of cos 2x minus cos 2a upon cos x minus cos a dx. Integration of cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx. Now see, here in the numerator there is a function in terms of 2a. So I am going to convert into submultiple, like multiple function can be converted into another linear function, that is cos 2x should be converted into cos 2x. How? There is a formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. Again same formula I am going to apply, 2 cos square a minus of minus become plus 1 upon cos x minus cos a dx. Understood? So 2 cos square x minus 1 is the formula of cos 2x. I am applying here as well as here. I am splitting this minus into the bracket. So now this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. I am taking 2 outside from remaining two functions, cos square x minus cos square a upon cos x minus cos a dx. Now this function a square minus b square formula. So I am writing this as cos x minus cos a into cos x plus cos a whole divided by cos x minus cos a into dx. Now this term get cancelled. So 2 into, now this function integration easily we can done. What is integration of cos x? That is easily we will get sin x plus cos a is a constant function. Cos a write as it is. Only 1 will be there. So integration of 1 dx become x plus c. Very simple this is. Now if you study trigonometry properly, so then you will get this function can be converted into some small function which is related to the numerator. See, if you observe completely very nicely, so here numerator is derivative of which function? Cos x is derivative of sin x, so sin x minus sin x is derivative of plus cos x. So indirectly if I take this function as t, cos x minus sin x into dx, we will get as dt. Understood everyone? So numerator is the derivative of which function? If you recognize that, automatically you will get what we need to take the substitution. And what is relation? How can be converted this function in terms of this? So now take this as whole square. If I take square on both sides, so what I will get? Sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square. Now this become 1 plus sin 2x is equal to t square. Now see, integration, this entire thing is dt 1 upon t square. So 1 upon t square integration is minus 1 upon t plus c. So minus 1 upon, what is t value? Sin x plus cos x, minus 1 upon sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the solution for this problem, and we will discuss some more questions. These all are based on trigonometric identities as well as substitution methods. Now this is one of the important question. 1 upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. I think this is asked in previous year JEE AEEE examination. Now, and even in the CBSE textbook also this question was given. Here instead of sign, instead of both cos terms, there may be given x sign, one cos function, means one sine function, one cos function, or both sine functions. So here what I am going to do is, so I am going to multiply one function and divide one function, so that in the denominator there are two terms. This can be easily separated and integrated. So what I am going to do is, I am multiplying with sin a minus b or sin b minus a. I am writing a minus b or b minus a, whatever the function you like. Sin b minus a, this will be little bit easy. Cos x minus a into cos x minus b. So sir, you can ask, sir, why only sine function? See, if I use sin a plus b formula, so what I am going to get? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b upon both cos term. In the first term also there is one cos, one sin term. In the second term also there is one cos, one sin term. So in the denominator both cos terms are there. If you apply for the both terms, one cos function will get cancelled in each both terms. So what you are going to get is, in one function you will get cot, another function also you will get cot. So that easily cot integration we will get. So now 1 upon sin b minus a. See, here I am going to express the numerator in terms of denominator. So what I am going to do is, I am writing this b minus a as like this. See, x minus a minus x plus x get cancelled, minus of minus plus b upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Now 1 upon sin b minus a into integration. Here sin a minus b formula I am going to split. Sin a cos b minus cos x minus a into sin x minus b into dx. whole upon cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Now I am going to split this function. So what will I get? If I take first term, cos get cancelled, cos x minus b, cos x minus b, sin upon cos, that becomes tan x minus a minus tan x minus b we will get. So everybody know that tan integration of tan function is log of sec x. So 1 upon sin b minus a into this become log of secant x minus a minus log of secant x minus b plus c. So furtherly I am writing this as 1 upon sin b minus a into log of log m minus log n become log m upon n, that is secant x minus a upon secant x minus b. So again furtherly you can convert, secant x can be written as 1 upon cos x plus c here. So 1 upon sin b minus a into log modulus of, so this become cos in the numerator, so cos x minus b upon cos x minus a plus c you will get. So this question is important. I think this is one of the previous question of JEE. So now we will see one more question. Integration of cos 5x plus cos 4x upon 1 minus 2 cos 3x dx. Now see here, integration of cos c plus cos d, everybody know 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 9x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is x by 2 upon here 1 minus 2 cos 3 theta, means cos theta can be written as entire terms I am writing in terms of that is submultiple angles. This also I am going to write in submultiple angles. Cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, that is 2 cos square 3x upon 2 minus 1. See here, integral 2 cos 9x upon 2 into cos x upon 2 upon 1. See, if I multiply this minus 2 with this, become plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, that become 3 minus 4 cos square 3x. See here, 3 minus 4 cos square theta. So if I multiply by cos theta, so 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta, that is cos 3 theta formula. So here I am going to multiply this by cos 3x upon 2 by cos 3x upon 2 dx. Integral 2 cos 9x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2 into cos x upon 2 whole divided by minus, also I am taking common, 4 cos cube 3x upon 2 minus 3 cos 3x upon 2 dx. See here, 4 cos theta 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that is cos 3 theta. So this entire denominator is becomes cos 9x by 2 cos 3 theta, 3 times of 3x by 2, that is 9x by 2. So 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now see, these two terms get cancelled, so minus. Now see, 2 cos a cos b, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So this become cos, ये दोनों का addition means addition of these two. So that is cos a plus b means these two functions sum, 3x by 2 plus x by 2, 4x by 2, that is 2x plus cos, subtraction of these two terms become x dx. Now integration of this entire function become minus cos 2x integration is sin 2x upon 2 minus cos x integration is sin x plus c. See, this function I am integrated and I am using basic trigonometric formulas, so you will get easily answer. So let us see one more question. Integration of tan power 4x dx. See, this is also very simple question. By seeing this question, so many students will get afraid, but this is very simple question. Integration of this I am writing as tan square x, and one more tan square I am writing as secant square x minus 1 dx, and again split this function, means means take this tan square x inside. So tan square x into secant square x dx minus integration of tan square x dx. So see here, if I take tan x, this entire function becomes dt. Tan x as t, this entire function become dt, this become t square. So directly I am doing tan cube x. So here we have a formula, integration of f power n of x into f dash of x dx. This become f power n plus 1 of x upon n plus 1 plus c. कोई भी means if any function is there with power n, and beside that in the product there will be derivative of that function, so then you can directly use this formula. According to this formula, this become tan cube x upon 3 minus tan square x integration directly we cannot do. So this function I am converting it as secant square x minus 1 dx. Now this become tan cube x by 3. Secant square x integration is directly tan x, minus into minus plus, one integration is x plus c. See, very simple question this is. So these are different types of questions based on trigonometric substitutions and based on general substitution method. So thank you very much students. So आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और लाइक कीजिए. सो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल and please press bell icon button so that you will get latest updates of my video lectures. So these are free of cost. So in this lockdown period, watch my videos and develop your integration skills. So thank you very much. Thank you students.